Hi you guys, welcome back to my studio. So this video will serve as a part 2 to my bathroom makeover. I just wanted to go into more detail about some of the decor items that I found for my bathroom and how affordable it was. So if you are interested in how I created this farmhouse style bathroom, then keep watching. As you can see, my bathroom had zero storage space. There was not even a medicine cabinet. And I really wanted more storage in this bathroom. So my original plan was to include some floating shelves above the toilet area. But I was walking around in Hobby Lobby and I found these two wall shelves and they were 50% off, so I had to grab them. These two made the project much more affordable and a whole lot easier. I did not like the unfinished wood on how the two pieces came, so I decided to stain the wood. But before I did that, I had to remove all of the pieces. When you're removing things that are already made, you just want to keep track of all of your screws and keep in mind on how everything was placed when you bought it, because you do have to put it back together. So once I had all of the pieces of wood removed, I went ahead and stained them, and I'm using this Varathane classic wood stain in the color Golden Oak that I got from Home Depot. So I did not show this on camera, but I did sand each piece of wood before staining them. There was one side of each piece that had some type of finish on it, so it did not stain very well. So my solution to that was to flip each piece of wood over. So how it came, whichever side was on the top, I flipped it over because the bottom half or the bottom side of the wood was unfinished. It did not have any type of residue on it, so it took the stain very well. Because this shelf would be in the bathroom, I wanted to protect it from any scratches or any water residue. So I decided to coat it with this polyurethane clear gloss finish. It says fast drying on the can, but it took a very long time for this to dry. So after a little over 24 hours or so, I was able to put all of the wood pieces back together. Okay guys, can you see how this piece of the wood did not take the stain very well, but this side did? So this is what I was talking about when I said I flipped the wood over. So what was on the bottom is now on the top. So once I had everything put back together, I installed them both onto the wall. If you haven't already seen the bathroom makeover, what are you waiting for? Go check it out. It's linked down below. I also added this take a seat sign, which I made with my Cricut Explorer Air 2. If you haven't seen that video, I will have it linked down below as well. Now this jar that stores my Q-tips, I already had this. I believe I bought this from Home Goods and it was about $2. And to make it fit within my Farmhouse decor that I wanted to go for, all I did was remove the top and added this rope from the Dollar Tree and just hot glued it around the top of the jar. Okay, so I wanted to show you some decor items that I picked up or I already had. Starting with this shower curtain from Target. It was on sale for $12.99. I think regular price was $24.99. And I'm not sure if this is black and white or gray and white. This says gray, but we shall see what it looks like. Also, I got the black shower curtain hooks from Target. They were on sale. I think I paid $6 for these. This I picked up at Ross, I believe. I'm trying to remember. Ross or Home Goods. Oh, Ross, there it is. And it was $4.99 for this. So obviously I'm keeping the black and the green and just the whole farmhouse theme. I picked this up. It's a planter from Walmart. I believe it was $4 or $5. This little plant, faux plant, it's not real, is from Ross. It was $7.99 with the marble plant holder. And I'm going to use this candle. I already had this. Candle day was 2 days ago, so I took advantage of that sale and I picked up more of these candles, and this one is my favorite, so this matches the theme as well. This basket is from Dollar Tree. It's from Dollar Tree, and I just put the nautical rope around it like I did this that I've already shown you guys. So I just put it around there just to give it some texture and definition. And I also picked up this soap dispenser from IKEA. I don't remember how much this was, but I will link it down in the description box. But I thought this would look perfect, and I always have some essential oils and lotion from the aromatherapy line at Bath and Body Works, so I'm just going to use these as well because it matches the decor that I'm going for. So, oh, and I forgot to show you guys the rugs. Let me go grab those. And this is a trash can from IKEA that I'm going to be using in the bathroom as well. It has this brown at the bottom. I thought it was so cute. I don't remember how much this was, but I will link it down in the description box. And I'm also going to be using these bath mats from IKEA. Let me put one on the floor so you can see it. So I'm going to be using these bath mats. They're just regular white mats that I'm just going to put on the floor. So yeah, you guys, that's it for the decor. So let's put it all in now. Okay, you guys, this is how everything turned out. I had so much fun making over my bathroom. I hope I've inspired you to explore your creative side and make over your bathroom as well. If you haven't already checked out the full bathroom makeover video, it is linked down below and it's also on my channel. Feel free to share this video with your friends and family. And if you've enjoyed watching it, why not hit the like button and subscribe to my channel? I would love to have you here. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!